Okay. Good Tuesday night? Wednesday night? But it's tonight. Wednesday night? I don't know. Still at my favorite campground. Loving it here. So beautiful. So beautiful. I figured it out. It's the name of the creek is Camp Creek. Oh, apropos. There's a road that goes up there that way. It's definitely a four-wheel drive road, so I don't think I'll go. That is called Camp Creek Road. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain a little bit, so time to start a fire. The campground is got 4 people that I know over here. I think some people over on the other side, but it's such a beautiful campground. So, it's kind of off the beaten path. You have to drive down this road full of houses. It's a dirt road full of potholes to get to it. Yeah. No such. No such. Oh, girl. So, maybe I'll go live for a little while after if I start a fire. I went to the general store down the road today and picked up some groceries. So, I decided what I'm going to cook for dinner. Maybe I'll see you again soon. Living van life. I'm in the Colorado mountains. It's a good way to spend the month of May.